how to create Facebook account. Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today we're gonna learn in this video we're gonna learn how you can create a new Facebook account. All you have to do is download the Facebook app on your Apple device. If you don't have already, you can just go ahead and download from App Store. After you downloaded your Facebook app, there you can see at the bottom of the screen it says create a new account. After you press it, it asks you, and all you have to do is press get started. After you enter your first name, press next. After you press the next, it might ask you to select your name that you want display. After you press next, it might ask you what's your date of birth. After you've entered your date of birth, I'm gonna enter a random one, and it might ask you for your gender. You can go ahead and select it. After that, it might ask you for your mobile number or your email address that you want to link it. All you have to do is press and enter the required one. After you've entered your mobile number, press next, and after that you get to this page where it says create a password. After you created a password, it asks you if you want to save your login info. If you want it to save it, just go ahead and press save, and you have to agree to Facebook's term and policies. After you've read and agreed to it, press I agree, and after you confirm your mobile number, your account is now created. After you enter your confirmation code, your account is finally created. And that is how you can create a new account in Facebook, or make a new account in Facebook. If you got any other questions, feel free to ask in the comment section, and see you guys in the next one.